let's talk about protection in Excel. My name is Abdulkadir Salami. Today, let's sample different steps for data protection and how to assess them. Let's practice it. Welcome to Excel tutorial on data analysis. Today, let's talk about data protection in Excel. Steps for data protection in Excel. Step 1, let's talk about password protects. This protects your sheet. Password protects. Now, to achieve that, we go to our review. We have our review here, and then you go to protect sheet. Okay, so we have it here. It's already checked. Locked cell and select unlocked cell. So all you have to do is to give it a password. Depending on the password you want, assign a password to it, and then you click OK. So I'm not going to do that now. So that's the first step. And step 2, let's talk about use cell locking. Use cell locking. Okay. And first you have to select your cell, you right click on it, and then you move to what? Format cell. So when you get to format cell, you click on protection, and then this is it. It's already checked. Then protect the sheet as I mentioned in my step 1. So you click on OK. So that's it. So let's talk about step 3. Step 3 is employ data validation. So these define allowable data range or criteria for each cell to prevent invalid entries. So, okay, to do that, you go to your data, then you click on it here, data validation, and which of the data are we talking about here, which of the cells. So you have to choose, okay, let's assume I'm working on my date, and between, okay, so you have to click on where, from where to where. I don't have a date. Okay, let me use this. For example, it's already selected. Okay, so end date. Okay, I don't have end date here. Let me just do something else. So that's it. So like I said, what this does, it defines allowable data range or criteria for each cell, okay, to prevent invalid entries, such as restricting input to specify dates, number, and text format. So you click on OK. So that's step 3. Okay, let's talk about step 4. So this utilize conditional formatting. So step 4 is utilize conditional formatting. So basically, this highlights important trends in your data while keeping it secure. So we use conditional formatting to automatically format cells based on certain criteria, making it easier to spot outlier or potential issues. Right now we have my G6. Okay. I have my G. From my G4, let's go to home. We can spot here conditional formatting. So we can use highlight cell rules to protect our cell, our sheet, even our job. So this helps, to format cell based on the certain criteria we have, and it makes our job more easier. So utilizing conditional formatting helps. So these are what we have: greater than, less than, between, and so on and so forth. So it's a if condition. So this helps in protecting too. And the question is how? How? Like I said, it highlights important trends. Step 5 is stay updated. Stay updated. Step 5 is stay updated. So you have to keep your Excel software and security protocol up to date. Regularly install updates and patches provided by Microsoft to patch any vulnerability and protect against emerging threats. So stay updated. That's step 5. And step 6, employee training and awareness. So employee and awareness. So you have to educate your team members about best practice for data protection in Excel, offer training section or workshop to raise awareness about security risks, confidentiality, measures, and proper handling of sensitive information. This helps employee training and awareness. Step 6. 11, we have regular backup. Yes, this is very key. Regular backup. Don't risk losing your valuable data to unexpected error or system crash. Set up regular backup of your Excel file to external drive or cloud storage platform like OneDrive or Google Drive. These ensure you always have a recent copy available in case of emergency. Regular backups. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.